Welcome to Cons Tutorials. Today we will be talking about the functions of operating system. An operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. We also know that an operating system acts as a communication bridge between the user and computer hardware. The purpose of an operating system is to provide a platform on which a user can execute programs in a convenient and efficient manner. An operating system is also a piece of software that manages the allocation of computer hardware. The coordination of the hardware must be appropriate to ensure the correct working of the computer system and to provide user programs from interfering with the proper work of the operating system. So, the functions of the operating systems we'll be talking about today will be memory management, file management, process management, device management, security, error detection, job accounting, control over system performance, coordinate between other software and users, monitoring activities. So we begin with the first, memory management. The operating system handles the responsibility of storing any data, system programs, and user programs in memory. These functions of the operating system is called memory management. The operating system also carries out file management. In file management, the operating system keeps track of where information is stored, user access settings, and status of every file. It is helpful in making changes like create, delete, update in the stored file and in replacing them. So, in file management, the operating system helps in creating, deleting, updating files, and also to update the locations where the files are found in the system, and also help to fetch the files when the user needs them and when the application needs them. Number 3 is process management. A process can be defined as a program in execution. The operating system allocates the processor to a process and deallocates the processor when it is no longer required. For example, when a user launches a program, the operating system is going to allocate space and processor for this program to execute, and once this program is executed, the operating system is going to deallocate the resources which was allocated to this program in order for the program to function. The fourth function of an operating system is device management. In device management, the operating system keeps track of all the devices. This is also called input-output controller that decides which process gets in the device, when and for how much time. This is very important, so a process will not have monopoly over this. A device will not have monopoly over the system. So the operating system helps in allocating these devices to programs whenever needed and deallocate these devices when they are not needed. The fifth function of an operating system is security. The operating system helps in preventing unauthorized access to programs and data by means of passwords and other similar techniques. So the operating system updates firewall, antivirus, monitoring network, and user controls. These security measures taken by the operating system helps in securing the user data so they can be safe and not accessed by the wrong persons. Number 6 is error detection. The operating system constantly monitors the system to detect error and avoid malfunctioning of a computer system. This is very important because when the user is using the operating system and performing an operation, the operating system ensures that this operation goes on smoothly, and if any error is occurred, the system has to detect these errors and look for solutions and ways to solve these errors. The next function of operating system is job accounting. In job accounting, the operating system keeps track of time and resources used by various tasks and users. This information can be used to track resource usage for a particular user or a group of users. Number 8 is control over system performance. The operating system records the response time between service request and system response to have a complete view of the system's health. This can help improve performance by providing important information needed to troubleshoot the system. The next type The next function of operating system is coordinate between other software and users. As we all know, the operating system acts as a communication bridge between the user and the computer hardware, and as much it also acts as a communication bridge between other softwares, between two softwares in the computer. So an operating system also coordinates and designs interpreters, compilers, assemblers and other software to the various users of the computer system. And the next, monitoring activities. Another function of the operating system is monitoring activities. The operating system takes care of the activities of the computer system during various processes. This aborts the program if there are errors. The operating system sends instant messages to the user for any unexpected error in the input or output device. These monitoring activities help the operating system to know when there is an error in the system, so if there is any adjustment to be made, the operating system can easily report these adjustments and they can be incorporated into the system. Thank you very much for watching.